spoon now they are sap powder no now they are good so she mu cup no okanu mu ana yesi mu ya adwope na wa hyase anom and you may no repeat the same thing there you say eboa ema immune system no timi eden a sign normalize or blood pressure wa heart or kidney related problem eboa onso a waposo tire ya we adwuma keto bi oto bre o spine ni mutimi tutu a stroke diabetes ituna se one time obenya bi ato herbal shops ahodo ni nyina mu across the country dodo pa no furniture NK eyenkoko ubewemu a also hwehwe Angel Dominion Herbal Center dodo bia ohia bia wan de beso mo enye sa phrase 0543 158 195 and now 020 429 6449 Dominion Herbal Powder, your number one immune booster. Abusiafe akwani mu atene by Kind Courtesy JK Company Limited. Omo so distribute Edema Nataraj products ewo Ghana ha. Omo adama ye the videos of our time 12 so sisia. Na ene videos of our time video ben ena ye show. Epacho berem ewo Facebook o sisia. Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Join me right now. Boru house is here na. Yen shadan chesa. Video no straightforward. Me pretu mu na ye ka ho asem a na de asi. Tetem na etimi e de confessions atwaso. Etipacho room o Facebook is here na and the videos of our time. Yen chesa video yi. Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. So what access to Facebook nkwa dia. And then Pacho join me on Facebook this year. Say na obetimi appreciate video no very well. Beto nwase yi pa. Wa uni access to Facebook no. Asem ne ba kope. And one say me bowra wa dream. What I say? Na me twafoni na kire na me wie na me chichi mu akosi ase no. E be say de wa hwe video no pepepe. Na mum say na obeti ase yi no. Wo de wa akọ Facebook o. Na wa sutwatum. Yagani na chesa wo hwe wa fidiga dochi wa hu se de video no etie an African yesa. Thank you now mami mbowura wa adwum sesi a na me nche video na ni so nkyerɛ wa bra me guso a me nche video na ni so akyerɛ wo na no na edwagu e wo Facebook a obetimi ahwɛ bie na de omu ne sɛ ye wadwuma ene ye wadwuma na no kure nie adwuma bi wa ya ne ho nsɛm ka na ɛden obroni fra bibi occupational hazard ebi wa adwuma bi ya mu but ebi de akye bi ene awia yi de ntia videos of our time ye share sa video we ne say ye pese ohwe na odi bi tu hofo na fenso no de ye frɛ ne sɛ abotre yade bi a oni potimi develop bi a eye pa yetimi ka se abayo video wa botre abranti video wa botre o hwe sa oni pa kono enye so no ni bu ntimi mfu enye so oni pa kono ntimi react na way na wa ya react no but who situation bi a no akai say no this is how I need to carry myself and untino they remain calm and hwe ya bekas mami kama ye plane beka akawede wa Jimmy papa na o John o use na we use me ankama huno nizo ama na grandad ya we say it every day and you so ni pa ko wa Jimmy sebe obi yesa of value their friend say abotre ehun say abotre emfaso e wo so now video na me dey e hye we no eye obi a owa adwuma mu a wo ye adwuma maybe you've seen the video but as it me share bi film obi on mo a na adwuma ye de ama no oye trained oye professional e was sa field ho enti adwuma no ho akade ahodo ene ho akwanhia ne ne ma ebetimi asisi ebetimi de abufu aba nyina no ya dan ni na adi a kire no say ni ne ebetimi asi but in a situation where we are adwuma no say bibi say see this is how you need to carry yourself. But to be sure, because ye independent, bibi betimi asiama to the stream. Betimi amna fe I say broso. Enu to be question no nipa kono professionalism na ka adwuma no nyina no wato atwene na fe na waye de ese so oye ebisi e wo radio adwuma mu come what may so call a be from be provoke you said then be obetimi obi kro betimi afred you atem sometimes it happens it me to presenters ibi obi on want to hwe no hu yie bo hu anu akoka de onka sometimes ade betimi koso oman also your oman ba what I say you also a citizen a fan who be etimi your yasa so once you get the microphone and you think say you have the mic and then you can talk and people can hear it, you know you can go and do baby and now you are blasted etimi si mi say bibi timi hye me me yama sometimes betra na then me amitimi me hutimi ba me so na maka say mame fence na wan hwa mekwa akoka de yenka am ya kase me mu ade esa said the wedding ya on said the adne ye oyanti wan hwa betimi a blast am na bro so esi da bia by in a situation where utimi say adne ye clear obi agent was ade we pa de me pa de yenka mitimi o no nipa betimi nya abotre pa no nyo say onipa we de o abotre now ya wadwuma ba ko bi won mo nipa ho adwuma enkrofo a e wa brochie pa na ye sa adwuma no omo ye ke fo no enti omo companies na ya assign to company e bia me na mete ma bie company bi e bia Jerry Justice home care what no ho na ya fan krofo na ya training say wo be provide sa service we e de ama nkrofo mu fie so as and when a client be here say de obi ba no be hwe no na ya assign na wakọ ho very common pa ye kromu ana nhwe de nia bibia just walk hospital ba broche de ho uti wa fie onipa mbeba no abehwe e na omo wo facilities bi wo no ho say I know especially for sadi eti wa o maame adu adu fie bi na papa adu fie bi na ana say bi kro nhwe de nyi bi asa ba special area bi obehia special attention now the nakosa facility wo and then you won crofo e be assign you no mo ahwom time so ese so de na duru ma na no de ama no time so ese so ma ne didi na o ma na didi time so ese oboa na o cleaning ne ho a na wa ye sa pepe de ama na and then they pay those people no mo e de o ko efie mo ko attend to such people no e bitimi harass your mom for situation bi mu enye this video that I'm showing you now no a video abayiwa na kwa wo ye adwuma o provide care e de ama obi a wodu ne old age abrewa na abrewa na provoking lady now to the extent say wo hwe video na wan kwasa krobe wa bufu the old lady near white and the lady is a black woman na odidi na tem catch say get out of my house odi bra Facebook no na hwe video no odidi na tem abayiwa na prepare aduane na akogbo aduane ato agu na boy na catch say stop it, don't do that. Or say no, get out of my house. Or still I won't stop. Or harassing no. No face salad again ni twitwa ni ade no afa no ahwia na gu girl ni trim just say atete. But in all no, the lady acted so, professional that just say the professionalism level ne there very exceptional. And you be crank or be making attempts at Opushima na bibi, but or comporting her. The only thing she could do is be catch him and say, oh, yeah, the oil. Or come, I mean, so yeah. Would you share video? Abdway you. Or the Saturday can push Abdway grab away to me standing. Yet, look at the way Abdwani treatino. To turn your mouth can someone tell you so wetter. A on hair. Now we're cleaning the home. Now still Abdwana Sasa be yet. Just say, man, lady no room to do what she is doing. Meanwhile, everything that she is doing in there, or yet the abwa, mommy. What tinta spitting on her. Tinta lady no and then the lady will take tissue paper, not their paper and tissue nefine nimne nsaho. Goodness. Tinta what's I will be a massage. A woman says she's been trained to say a human now and BBC betimi aba. But I want us to look at the level of tolerance and professionalism. Lead way exhibit here. Na de kanya brabon. Look at the floor. And yama we na just Abrewana messy up the place. Etiti rabai. But she remained calm. didn't do anything to the old lady because edru baby a omo level aye omo aduno ebetimi abasa aberwa no de oye no kra wonim de oye and she could talk anyhow edru baby a na ebi mu mama adwene dim chimihia kakra ebi no nya dementia na ade ntino say anything that comes to mind then they are doing it and can papa me onipa is there to take care of you but said them di kan no aya no mo adwene nti ublemu aberwa no bebre nye yi nka say na aberwa before be because Africa dey be ka say ma me do before then but a condition no woman nti but for somebody to get abotre way and remain calm comport herself act professionally na de mami be no be tolerate ni nyina no it's something just say me who how to put it and how to even rate her. And that is what I said from the beginning. Say adwuma bia no the boniface occupational hazard e wo ba bia. But to what extent eno nipa obetimi tolerate sa na ma bi nu say akwakodu. Their value and now place it on abotre. Ebi nu mfa nya hwe. Onimpa say ese so timi nya abotre e wa ade a woyi mu. But just a BBNC. Now you know pana bro aposo so atintasu agu anim atubi agu nsa ho. Atoto ade ebo. And then you just look at her just like that. And all you can say is stop it. That's what the lady kept saying. Stop it. Oye na ade kwa hwe saladi na no hwehwe gu no. And mess up the place near ade nyina. I want us to learn something from this video. Abotre. Eye papa. Wa uni abotre. Bibiki tuwa bi na obuafu. The slightest thing not provoke you. And then you start acting in a certain way. Baby a bit me do adru. And I am sure said this video, if I employ lady should see the offer me na ade and how she comported herself. And do this about will be one my family abay. But the same incident here I see here, I capture on video. If anka by way it take action bia enko ye na fans abrewa you pushing baby na abrewa kwa kotia na bibi obeka say no na abrewa wo gigi wa no asesa sutro de ja kwan. But professionally you beka say wa act ye enti ye bia lines is bit me agide afri ni nsem. Oh yes, but look at how she comported herself. And they said there what they adru abusia abotre eye abotre ewie nkundi said the mpanifo aka no eto da ebe den but kakran no ebe yi ye make that conscious effort say ebetimi aja say ebenya abotre wo ye dwumadi a ye die nyina mu a ebetimi aboa. The other day me real few nipa kwa na me ne kasa na me ne obi ka asem bia na me ka chenze we those days said na me hu niema na said na me timi access some way no and they hu hia sa obi timi bi just look at the person and I'm call first say me driver na obi am mess me up na bia e fault nya me nya hwe na we na wasan be didi matem. Oh and the other day aboso ka me action kakra o taxi driver bi o we are no cross no Missy now, Missy. One ask me, mammy, Ediano. Would the matter say me, mammy, you know, so, and no. Now, say, me, mamma, account. Oh, no, sooner him, how. I feel to say, later, I'm so, brother, and I'm so, would the mammy at him. I feel now, me, some way. Now, me say, Jan, no, I'm coming. But this day, the other day, now me drive it. Traffic him, taxi driver, I'll bomb me careless. The choir, no, would the matter. So me merge me then. Or kind of say thank you. Now they me can thank you. That me say and I feel on only car not passengers team. I'm waiting to tax in granite almost. I feel tell you so on trust me my team be most on you. But when I say thank you, me as I feel no one any merge me. Sometimes adding, but let us all try. Kakra. A bit me I am my abotre. Ehunya pa ya fancy ya na fast like say my proud sponsor mo boy Emma yede videos of our time ebre wo eno JK Company Limited adaroma omo na nei omo ginam ede man e Ghana ha se bano Nataraj products say Nataraj pens, pencils, pencil cases, crayons, mat set, stationery products ahodo ni nyina no Nataraj for adarma na omo de nam JK Company Limited for so ema yensa eka Sanso and Albania JK exercise book and a JK 5-star A4 and then A3 papers. I just say papa ne bonus da from come on. Abusia TC secret no. What be a bookshop be now or stationery shop be or baby. Now pe baby abetimi akotu niam abegum. Obi aba de ohwehwe no baby sa ne nsa beka bi. Na price no so da from we agyan so betimi de kakra tutu so na wanya bi ahwata so a. For any tray JK Company Limited. Yeni actually North Industrial area here. Number 60 Otublehum Street. Yebe Christ Embassy. Now the obo room wa and now be who product ahodo. Bejibi. Now I'm afraid be a school near the ade. Almost nya nema om de be sua de. Mo sua ka de now. Na fe so no won so shop no. Odi bia kogum. Simple and titia. But obetimi a friend and I'll be send a WhatsApp. Edia fa 0540 125 999 0540 125 999 near di nkomo kama abusia ye invite Womina featuring Minister Igwe Kokroko na ye fa no emprem kakra na fe wia confessions ye fa trust Ofie Kwanso medi eso. Anyway, I'm a debruta. Now, no credit nyame anim ni e rabaya your friend Womina no minim no. Me shia no da. But nenum ne me de papa. The very first time I met him no. I think it was Sunday. Na tetebana futiti. Ene sha no obonum. Na metia titi adidade na dide ayasi dada na mse hey ho na mse titi enyum be na obono no so na mse udeda bi yinyum no fa to prepare mu o ma me na me said ba me hunu o see you mate na me ba na me pray children na mse this song is wonderful Abusia, I present to you Kokroko by Womina featuring Minister Igwe. Beautiful song. Oh baba. Ya mon penetra kwa mama na menye ni interview wa papa bills. O rehwe no mama na ni boni mi ye. Me re se ono kra ne hwan ya. Ti da. Ado.
This
afetie minister Igwe we mean a train kakana Minister Igwe some room kakama wala Now get ready to call me. Yeah. Only part the one when you do. I reckon people who when in you. But I say, I'm quite man's wrong. Now you shall say, foul friend. Bills. 0302 216 561 0302 216 562 from Mr. Sia. Confessions. Me patro den etete den edunya den akofa kodan na bia beto so amene woda wona wadwendwea onyare nsoso wonte apo ade yi how ensoso hwan na akoka akire no me patro Francisia na ye monkomo on na ye hu problem no asem ne ye ba akopɛ ada bia meka eno ane se nyame enam counselor Oscar Supiso you better find a solution to that problem now. Edu nyano. Eti pacho from Cecia 0302 216 561 0302 216 562. Please, if you don't have any problem, don't call. What do you take why? Said the bay on more problem no be access to the phone is not what me ide. Afre. First caller. Hello, good afternoon. Hello. Hello. Oh, how many so answer?
We arriving. Which persons or?
Hey, I didn't. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Good afternoon.
Good evening.
At say.
Krista.
Great. Me patro yentie wa asem wa de nam.
Oh, my happening. Jerry,
me patro wo. Ma one so kakra ma ya why na ya tonkan yi why
patro am patro si ma ya on thing ma shem so am se me pre ka je di crap quiet ya lin me be am got na ya je ri ra sa sa di asasika so
sister, hello. We were just with me. Sir, and come here out there by home. Say, your casa was similar situation. Ubia and Canada home. Would you be there crying? Rebecca said, Yamedia moved to football cry. Oh, the old king and I want yes, why I saw Dana one year then. Obia but onka de oye enje nkrofo bebre wo problem said the okay ewie ya African nya wa na mama was say pharmacy dey no fan kanko because the open minya ohu obia ba no so ne rent obi so ene me ba nipa miensa obako ba no so ne medical bills we say we enti da bia obi wo problem mianka sanso ametie ya omo de problems ba mianka sanso me wo me de a me so kura minya yanka me obi abo ame ohu enti eno de sanete but you see confessions na de na ye na wo confess ya chen ade a waya enu nti akofa problem aba no eno na ya ye pesete said de be ya obi so wo tie no ebe ya futu ama no na ono so nkoye sanfom so ni bi ana wo a waye wie na wo sanfom so no but wo pe kwan afa so afiri mu no ya boa wa mo akwankyere as to how a wo betimi afisa condition mu but send your rent you say you know crofo de ne bebre sister aye kase ye kan je say wan hwa ye adwuma bosomi so kra ye katua ni na no ye de be ye say adwuma ni na so still enko so tie sro bebre why ne sa no mu ne de ya na ha adwen but wo be ndeng ye nto aso na ye mfa foforo hello ye mpacho etisai
Adom
Bra online no me munna ho kakra man na yento nka wai.
Ba jo tenka.
Aha, afi me tonka. Me ba tro yenti wasem adenam.
Me da se. Braje. Na me this is our friend country me say makia say me na me dey ask me ko no say. Me papa ne ni about the mo anda.
O papa ne o papa
first born anda.
O papa ne ono ane first born.
Ne ba.
Wo ba.
Da bi ni me sister me di na ti nia.
Na che say o papa ene wo fa ase ada.
Ono ane be da bi de ono papa no ane. Ono ane ba se.
Oh, da. Tio.
Hello, who say me say mama
Chase, wo de chase mai
me say na me wona me sister. Ono frɛ me say e papa ni sister pe nyanta.
Ah, o papa no one wo sister pani. Bra. O papa ene wo sister pani ada.
Mpajan.
Edu wo sister pani na frɛ wo ka kyerɛ wa na wo sister ketwa.
Ketwa no bon ma. Atemi kwasi enye ndi ba jere mo ze ko be 4 years.
Wow.
You frank and I met us and I'm ready in another Sunday in the matter man tell you and come on the banana be a papa banana be a man the way I'm one and can you come dear man and maybe a banana committed.
Okay, me ba na sister Penny no or bear how many years?
Oh, when you want to can when come me come go better case.
Tinache say sister Penny no bear 40 or baby on.
Oh yes. 40 plus. On anything.
Na me ba na o sister Penny no on ware.
My man so it in 4 years ago. The Mr. Ninya sa I say adenemo ya yikakra. We dey ne ko ye kuro no so wono na. Me father sana de na father na ho woni. So sana de na Mr. na be chese kan wono so. According to me niara ho fe na ndo aka kira ni bi sana. Say what chese kan wono so wono na ndo oboku no. Ana me father na so o ye. But asem ni sem man tia sem no ho bia to 4 years ni ba dey.
Enti me ba o se si ano na sister no ma do do say na be ma oni no ewo ma no ewen
ono no because assembly kana me say me travel na be fa no ko ba dia ye ku no enti ya kira so na me sister no say me ba konta na dia ti ko ono iti esen se mani ku asiya ma na konta na tia ma konta na de ye no na me ya ma ono recently ko ono no ko nya mo de o de ka se nti ono na papa ada
enti se no about se no mu sister Penny no ne condition it is or you okay
so far the banana dey
enti se no in her state of mind no you okay no or you aware say ono ani papa ni nada
no spend the time what say no kure
wa confirm say mo papa ni die
ai
wow
Bajeri min nada
inti se si ano ma hu say e atetesem to see say wow papa no sister Penny ada there
me wo ho na me ko ni to a kame na da banan kame da
nyabotre ye de nyame asese na uni ho na esi inti se si ano papa no so mo na kasa na ana onde
Bajeri abuko me se no kwa me ni na me ka bi comment me do fa me kwa me fa.
Okay, so now yen hwe
no me say ma me say o ma say me bra pin na me ko say omo frem pin for frem no e na tena ase amani e ko e so omo tena ase wo ya pon tin ko e so na bi to me
chese mpanifo atia man ko mo say
o ma te me dem
onya mamre ena amamre no so e so o papa so nkoye now
onye ye wabundu ego ni waboye mfetu diku na onamo
enti mone na kasa se okoye na onye ya na se cheze mo so mumu ara
zaje me de me 3 days ya na mati asem no tindi kwa nyo ya na me mati asem
wow counselor the better na here say in a situation where be enkoye amamre and the person involved no so no is not willing na ade na kwa be na betim this situation afa so na yo but ni nem na waso akoma mu ye why
all
right Oh, we are sending some doors. Yes, I'm from. Yeah, hello. Sorry about that. Ubit me as I try beam now. Yeah, sure. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Yes, our boss. That is saying. Great. Me pacho yentiwe.
Me pacho. Me wari consistent bi. Me habit na.
Me pacho o you know mun na papa o.
Mun na ho.
Radio na oben ho no. Dum na na afi ho. Why?
Okay. Me dum no.
Afi enti o.
Me ma wari bi. Ma ye no ha dia bi ke ne kana di na. Sisi no. Sister no. Me asoro penyin. Sister no obi abeka tell them akwakutu. Oba na be fe ne nyama de kana ba.
Me ba o. Obi akoka kire nse why den.
Ma fa oba bi. Enye no kware. Enti sisi no oba.
Me pacho o ware no. Me pacho yen kon kakra. O ware no be how many years ni?
5 years ni.
Mo oba.
Debi me ne ni da.
Wona ne woye.
Me ne woye.
And after 5 years no obi aka kire ne say you are seeing another woman.
So sir, what I no kware. Enti se me I know say akwa say ye kokot. Enti en say me san ware na say ye san ko fa ne bio tete maja ye me basa. O tu fe na atem di nko so enye no kware. Ye maja ye me basa.
Mo de asem ne kokot.
Yati ye kokot ko ya ware ye no.
Enti je say ma ware no wa ban mu.
Awabem.
Ani gu ne na fom sa.
Baby enough from. And on so nkugwa ware na me nkora mkugwa ware so me so me pama ne ye.
Okay, say no me ba o. Say no. Ono ne stand ne say what say wa chiti. It's because of that intino ko jai no.
You.
And na won so nya wa adwen say nka obejai no.
Debi me nyama de. Me so me yes ade no so enti.
Na that means wo do wa ade enti nka be say won moto aso tena.
Me pata here you kra me famisa.
Na ono so aye na adwen say on person no betina.
O makra bi o de ka na Bible na do abesisa ne yema nyina na odeko.
Obesisa ne nyama na afi nchen.
Obesisa ne yema nyina obi dem na odeko. Me Bible ka na bi nyina o de abre no.
O de ring no Bible ni na abre o.
Ni nyina abre me. Kimi kokot na mo se wagu aware no nti mi su se no hu se ne amhie no.
Okay, nti say no. Wo no pese ohu ekwan ya honfa so. Whether say oba na nya say awie nti no wo be move on na wo so awaye foforo na say say banifo ne kasa na oba. Na wo de ato na busuafo anim.
O mo ni mo ni na o kra kasa tre na so ko na o tia na ti.
Still also ma. Wow. Enti for bear how long ni na what's the name akwa ono nko ate a nko a so ti
4 years.
4 years mu ani
ni idea o so me ya so pen ya tempati
ani asa de mpanifo bi ka se wagunu de waguna 4 years ni na to ba bi no so tin ba bi de bi kura se wanyo bi fufuro bi o na wo so nya fufuro bi a ya wo ne ya kakra puri
me aso pen ni so me so te no ka kofo bi na e gwa ye wi ya kokot ni bi aso so e ma me kan na me ko ware fufuro.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, aso pen ya de beto counselor ni why?
Mate me da.
Wow. Asemu. Okay. Yanfa last one. And they said they had 9 and this is Yanfa last one. Hello,
Brajari.
Yeah, good afternoon, Director.
Good afternoon, Brajari.
Pacho at the saying.
Dom, you could come, yes, in come.
You, me pacho yenti was a more than a way.
Yo, Brajari, me da say. Me will be 38 years. Na the yam of Prano. Na the Hunu, the Dem of our.
na me maame ekire me say nipa sumasi na one no nyim ye nemu wa ni nsen no eno nti me ya bofre ni na no me de ni say me ni papa me maame frame 2000 sorry no me 2014 ana o frame o be frame no kire me say nipa sumasi ana ye o papa na emu mu no wan hwew ti me nko ne nchen da be ga no frame no up to now last year papa no de adwaso akofa abusuafo so ese ofese oba na obehwe me mezo at this age nyame adom kakra de to ni die nyame de amaye dan so odakofa abusuafo so se omo enfa dwaso amra na mensan emeye ne papa dan so me nim say eyo no say eyo no me nim say metina ji sa se no atum and if me mama odi me mama ade or the pressure ba me so then they say be ntu na papa no emra emehwe me at this age so ahwebe na ho no oba behwe me the come na me kola oja mo ho no me na me hwe kola me na ba ko kawo se school I don't know me mama me and the pressure ba me so for akodu say man preso kwa dia and the ono so on fa menya ne base de obedi ade no nsa de ade a etetim yi pa brejeri
okay enti se no wo no o problem ni na say unya hwe bia enti ga wo to abrabo so preko ho
oh yes and you say neso bia se bi oba be hwe na emu no eni pa na o ye me mama no ba be free mu no aso kan ni say me hwe ma papa ne nchen
oh me nim okay o mama ka say asimasi ne o papa but hwe na wan ko ne nchen o ka sa asem na ansa na wo hello that one is serious, but unfortunately we've lost him on the line. Heading. So if a for pressure now, means because no one knows what happened between the two of them. For all these years, it was also 38. In your 38 years, papa na ntimi amben wana maame no amo amben papa no until so be no say papa we na your papa, but do not go to him. Now if you we no so the papa no mu so aba e be claim say bra no be show at 38 some way, but ebema counselor abem na ene na to aso so while we wait for counselor for the connection with him, you fast that can say my proud sponsors are boy me to you because there counselor by we are the foot in bed tight shade their mind and no a time about mixture when him say or tear group there's always a malaria fever for the treatment of malaria fever TPBH akwan wonu mu ato ntimi di na ni na beko wona mo ye na beko ne mo pese ho sisi ho so ntemo a KNG about capsules and also fit time about center for us unya bi no a eno for general well-being e be ma why or den temper Kings Walk about Repatch Ventures Ray Jones and Azidos about Nina or Kanshi Drug Lane Ekus Pharmacy Buy Class Larry Odama Nina or Ashaman and after Travel of Judah work aswa Farmer Trust or Wager and yes our phrase 0244 417 669 now on Edin Komo. Good afternoon, Councillor.
Good afternoon.
Councillor, we are important to say. Councillor, I say online mu na kakra o.
Okay.
I say enton kan yi.
Oh, me too.
Afina emu aye ya. Councillor, we dey yan fa abrantie case yi en hyaase. De ene kasa sisi 38 years. Na onim ne papa da. Ansana ne maami bewu recently. Ena maami ne chance ne papa ni onipa asimasi. Nemum onhwe na wankɔ ne nkyɛn da ɛna maame ni wuyi maame ni wu akyi no ampampa papa na ba ɛna be kasa de afa busuafo so sɛ enti no de onhwe na onyene ntum sɛ ne papa no na ɔbɛhwɛ no ne ade ba ɔno so kra kyɛ sɛ ni nuanom kra ne maame de ɔmgya ɔno kra no ɔno po na hwɛ ɔm sɛ at age 38 nyame aboa no ɔno ahwɛ bibia ne ade ti ko nya saa ade no but na busuafo no so ma ne pressure sɛ on intum now accept papa as ne father non to us but no so share asem ma ne maame ka che na ansa na wo wu na on person be go against the maame a word no the problem any
I don't know if papa no but one man reason why of no
one man reason
and I said you remember
councilor me say ahoma say dey jamaji say throw back na I say emu na okra ba wo kasa ye dey ye ntunkan yi okra o bills sanhwe na sanhwe say obetimi a friend foforo na emu nhye dan na ho sa na fe ye no nto aso eti ye hwe na ya san ene councilor to aso no ye fast day on so ma MTN and they say oh ye momo cash out now from the 2nd of April 2021 you be required to present a valid national ID card abribia be ko momo agent bia o say o kwa perform a transaction no say be ya betimi abo wa ho ban wa cost receive cash wa handle transactions now in a safe and secure way etini ye say that's why we go together just momo it everywhere you go. Now for your first day on my door master and Pubiman paint depot. A patron nay, yes, a budget doors I would enjoy 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German, and Italian technology. Over 100 designs and colors to choose from. Doors will be exterior steel security doors, internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors, armored doors, bathroom doors, wooden metal doors, wooden panel doors, glass doors, flash doors. Nina, do you be oh. Buy paint from one so yeah near partner with News Paint yeah you know your Hero Standard paint no you won't want to be brave acrylic emulsion enamel road marking paint marine coatings waterproofing dampproofing wallpaper wall primers putty any paint accessories I would do nina yeah near the shisha buy see paint now pay later beji paint no never co paint you are what to was here tweetia and what Brian for interest be anka reaction kwan oh probably mine your Pubiman toll booth were on the Accra Kumasi Highway. Phrase 050-021-2447 and I'll phrase 0542-745-222. Hello, councillor. I'm say the muye. Eti na yet you.
Na me say. Me mama is more on call. No, but one
man reason. Yeah.
Na
they no cancer papa na hwe no say owo no papa na hwe no ntino
no so mo ko papa no do
yeah
wa man you see my monk now it is for no the man this issue of moral sin is really for me to answer it is the need how obi only emotional bond we are one you don't have any emotional bonding with the person, then after the years, the few from the J. And you are until the make up the fear and the audio unfocused you know but then what is important is the animal mother started life. And because of what the mother told him, he died. Almost fire with him said. Number fire. Because the number the bigger the war. The last is not the man. Very important. Because I cannot just get up and say, oh, we won't do this, but no. And see, no professor in the man. No constitution on me and no so mono. Now, what all yes, no, bomb fire. I know so yes, I only speak to the video as what to do. But we should not rush into just going to the party because of the for now. All is ended, and whatever is new, I'm focused on you. Well, sure, because you know me and Father no more back. What and all your time, I'm more practically to take a decision concerning the father. Now, having said that, what the video the beer will be their replication. Look. Let's see beer goes out. The beer only has to they are replicated. It's one back for 38 years. Now you come and people are still the nation.
And people speak that way. No? Sometimes, because you have not had the experience of that young man, you can say anything. A man is now also. How can you do that? And there are a lot of people like that. They confuse school fees almost immediately. Oh, mommy, so far, immediately. Oh, mommy, and then the women will never. They will suffer and take care of the children. Oh, yes, who's saying that? They don't consider the emotional state of the children. And then they just impose people on them and say, oh, Papa, no. Without even giving any emotional assessment of the person they're dealing with. Please, whatever you say, you read. I'm not saying you don't go to the father, that's what I'm saying. Be very careful about the things we do today. Only about problems are. It should not translate onto the children. One also do about now. If for whatever reason you are having issues, don't translate that anger onto the children because the children are innocent. You don't take them to emotional pain, and then you just get up on them to and without the emotional affection, it's okay. You should follow. Please, gentlemen. So we're not focused on you. Let me be saying amount of pressure. Not show me. I doing that because woman last year. No umpire. And let the Holy Spirit be. If you're not ready to father a child, zip up. When you're ready to bring somebody on this earth, zip up. Don't come and cause people emotional pain. And then some of the things for Papa, then you go back. And some of them, they don't do anything. They don't pay school fees. They don't take care of you. Every child that is growing, the child needs emotional comfort. Every child needs emotional comfort. You don't deprive that child of that emotional comfort. And then when they grow up, they have emotional wounds and pain. Then you want to come and worsen it. People must learn. So about social. If you're not ready to fight a child, zip up. And if you have a problem with the wife, don't translate the anger on the children. Take care of the children. Because if you're not there for your children today, they will not be there for you tomorrow. I repeat. If you're not there for your children emotionally today, they will not be there for you emotionally tomorrow. Come away and you need them emotionally around, they will not be there for you. They might send you money, they can do everything for you, but emotionally, they will not be there for you. Be very careful about what they are doing today.
All right. Okay. So, Abranti HSA, Onosuso, or Yamini Poya, so penny. Now, Wawari for 5 years, and on it, Obano and Woye. And after 5 years, no, and Ubiko di Kokonsache, Obana say, or no Bemano, Esani or Bafu for Shisho. And the Bufu, Homa, a dear Casacasa by. But the end, Yam say, and Yano Creda, Senka, I dare for the Chicana Ban see crowd, and won't say, oh, yeah, dear, but on ye, and Yetra Asemia Tonoso. Wakabia obey anti Ama Obano as a son in your men nefi. Or the wedding ring and the wedding Bible near Brebeman, and Oko. Well, who the bush and farm on one can seminar, so still Obana so on ma. Kaya Casano, a deep 4 years, and the woman is still not prepared to come back. Bunyaya, Nanko Banaba, says on also two on Quasano. Oh, who do ye? Omianko Jawarians or Banos, and Omran Awarians or Montesino. Who say, oh, moving on, sense 1 year then you because Abushafun Naya away, Omni Obana Casa, and she's not willing to come back. The problem ye.
Number one, if on the basis of the living culture of you are acting this way, it means that all of you are them and all. Now, what you didn't do out? Yes, because who are here? At the point to be very careful about a third party influence. And the man is, I have not done so. So, they say, I want to do this. If the woman has the evidence, okay, don't prove that, then why are you taking that decision? Because to me, the can't tell, okay? Many policies are some more about the truth.
Obama was to say, this one when I open the plan. Who frame anywhere I can come and talk about it. The Nippon is able to do that. On doing John Nippon, all the process and things only open the plan. And based on that, you take your things and for 4 years outside your marital home. That is not that means all along, no you when you mean it. Okay, now we become temporary. And you ask the person, not saying any career, you bring in your skill. Say, when the case has a material, and you say, we put the open career. Let's go, move on also in the same panel. None of the people in the panel, in the panel. But if you cannot do all that, and based on what the person told you, what how you make you here for 4 years, and your husband has not done that. Yes, we finish with you. What do you do for 4 years? What do you want the man to do? Or on your deal? Suppose why I get 4 years what tonight? I don't know if you know that, but I said we are starting professional also. Yes. 4 years of the Bible needs temptation to come home. But little before so temptation about okay. But one thing something I want to tell you, I don't want to say it on air.
Okay.
It doesn't be on air. If you do after that, because of the numbers, but you cannot leave your marital home for 4 years. And you expect the man to be doing what? The bedrock of every marriage or relationship is a trust. You need to know. So we become different about this one, maybe some. We become different one, maybe some. And then if it's not, we go to the person. When you do that, be always, or respect the relationship now with your own. But we become different about this now. Now we become, what they are showing me. Now see because of that, this and that. You are not being white. Because the other people are relationship among for one. See, if you be your come and say, no just at happen. Or be what you can't tell no, of all this is what you have. And for 4 years, you want to look me see, what do you want the man to do? What do you want him to do? And then when they say we are Christians and they are divorcing, what do you want the man to do? Okay, let's go to the person. So what do you want the man to do? Because of that man, I put my number out. There's something I want to tell him, but maybe the person make our head.
Okay. All right. So the next one, say recently, Yana, the sister Kuma Akachene say, ne papa and the sister Penny Ada. According to him, or say the sister Penny over 40 plus. Na some time ago when your mental yikakra. Emma, Omo na masisi was stabilized or okay. Na the sister no cry awo. Oh, na
no one was worried.
I no Obama on a worry and cry. Until one and one agree say at that time now no problem no. Uncle ne papa no ekrumu. Na e ho no omoko gi I hwede man no ne mental issues na no wo no. Ena say about 4 years ago mpuna de nsi na no abranti no nim until recently and sister keto ebo na mane say o call her during that time no. Eyo mo papa no ene sister Penny no die. Ache say ote no se de na koma bai no say na nko ho bi bam dia e bi anka bai now. Ono ni sister keto na aka asem we ya che no. Abranti ni sister keto and I can't. Hey, what can't share no ne brother no say. Almost sister Penny no nya mental issue no. Omo papa no and then die at that time no. I must say sister no so sister Penny na confirm say it happened. Papa no so omo na kasa. Ama papa no so agya to say oh yeah.
Ni brother ni die no.
Ni brother no.
And ni brother ni yire na so America.
There be ni brother no just say omo mienu na sister Penny asem na ye kan.
Oh okay, omo sister Penny.
Aha.
And omo papa ni nada.
And omo papa ni nada.
Oh okay.
As at the time wa onya mental problem na or call papa no now to receive help.
And ni sister Penny na confirm say am person.
And ni sister Penny na confirm am omo according to no the sister no story no catch no omo abusuafo no so kra ne papa no aka ho asem ama papa na ade atum se oye ama omo aye se ene amamre bi wo ntie se okoto odwan bi ne nema bi no omo de ye amamre bi. Until now the man is not willing to do that thing. Ena oguso ho no musa
on
person obey amamre no wa accept so ye.
You see the penny, they cannot blame her.
Yes.
Because mentally at that time she was not stable.
Me enuti kwa na mama bisa ya ansa na ode beto so say at that time no na
mentally she was not stable.
Yeah.
The father just took advantage of her.
Yeah.
No, that. My concern is that we are doing our most country brother. What for years?
So we no chess or no or hana I didn't see no do no ko no krom obi on ko am krom o.
For 4 years no. Omo wa.
Emu wa pa.
Yes, so papa ni see the penny other. Either you want to talk about it or you don't want to talk about it. So a see now no what can happen. Don't say anybody because all you have to know. We are relaxing. I want to be here. Not in terms of the Obia Libre. But because it's a certain 4 years now, one more relaxing. This is the way any here. But to the extent that it was a problem, so young there. And there are some young. What are the reputation to 1 year? Okay, we have to look at it. Some of us are here now. Get the reputation. So yeah, what is the result? So 1 year here, then they should just be a counselor for the teacher because of what has happened. So that the counselor can say the teacher to a full setter. Okay. So repercussions do or and then they should force the father to do. But the baby and no, he doesn't do it. All the teacher needs is counseling. So that doesn't become a problem.
Okay. Baba counselor, why will make a man do this? Why? I
was even coming there as a counselor. I'm cautious about what I see on air.
Yeah.
But this thing that fathers are speaking with their children, a issue some of the fathers are not speaking with their children. That's where our society now is going. If you walk up, no need. Mammy, I am winning from because it's coming up. Some of the fathers, especially they look at the children who are physically weak near the home, but now we take advantage of that father. Sometimes I want to we give them goodies so that they don't talk about it. Let me be to the extent that be more between me. Also, not why I said that. Obi only what to say down. A bad did over done.
Yeah.
You don't see anything. Yes. Nakuma if Obia Baba who want to have sex with your Baba no. It has a mental problem. And I deal with it to me. And oh yes, I have because any next open feeling of Baba, even when you a penny, you don't have that. And I don't think that is one. You should not have it. But I wonder, Obia living because I did here as a sorry. Now they want to sleep with their children. And Obia, but let me be your best son. Either you have a mental problem or you know the rest.
Wow. Okay, counselor, your first year na afutu sembi wa ode be man na fi yemfa ensori so.
What's the cost you know? Cost of and I'm quite to school. Who will be a cover for our school? Before because of for that, wash me to school. Will be until the also quite and because the office is a Papa name, over almost Do you be an old running with school? Before you go to the school, you pay the child. Wash your hands first. The school, no, but not coming. I'm asking here. The liquid kit will be well. Any issue. The moment the child comes out of the school, one washing is also, not more. Sometimes people can completely busy. They don't even care. Sanitizer alone is not enough. If you cannot wash your hands, no sanitizer. Before I went to not their man, not sanitizing in town. May I zoom to a school here? The job of a tell you, you get okay. So you, the parent, or Nippon of a animal wash with them answer. And I say you should sanitizer before the call for anything. I want to charge some type of the wash in them. If you have a car, now you have the liquid soap, any issue, you wash up as we did. And that's one sanitizer, not a sanitizer answer. Other than that, we just go to 50 years on the idea. We observe it 50%. Okay? Whatever we are supposed to, let's do it. But far on, never be getting up to do. Don't work in fear. Don't make sure, but do whatever you are supposed to do. But if you work in fear, you'll be paralyzed. What you don't mean everything. But life is going on. So observe the protocols, wash your hands, or get ready will be stop teaching, stop don't teach. Coronavirus stop. For some just coronavirus is on person move to me then the cover money. This is the time for people. Anytime money.
Okay.
This is the time for you to me here. Over Pakra, open what you wish, whatever you one with everyone. We are make us you don't friend, you girlfriend, you don't need no. I give you the time for certain things. Into from Quarano and Quarano. Your mom, your name, and let's lead God. The God will see us. Don't panic, but observe the protocol.
Okay.
And I mean, the politicians will come out. They shouldn't come and tell us we should do this and that and that. No more of their own need. That they mean nobody's above the law. They are serious, not mass, or be also, I quite say, yes, I think so because you didn't answer.
Yeah.
I thought, I'm not going to tell what you are doing in 2 months. Because you see, why shall I give you? The beer of Papa was with some of our back at the moment to sanitize, observe the protocols, and above all, let's put our heart in God. God will protect us.
Yeah, that's it, Councillor Yamisha. All right, so Councillor Oscar Sweepy and I Ninkano. We are saying some Adom. That was confessions. Nyame Adom next week. Yebe to aso na yahwe de ho so ednina ba bedaimo. Uzuti Adom 106.3 FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. Ofie Kwanso. The address na nchi bia ye de irrigated sports ena ye de bro. But before ye ben sa no enum bi wo ho. Asa no me pese it is annual. Best more than a week ni. And no na fama dreamu ne ade anso. Me re no na as a me what is it? Na and then me person come share is meeting me I re annual na. Mambo kakra ne ade na. Oh. Ati fo munya boteka krama wa boys ya. Enum no eye afomaniso. Safo hine jeni ne enum no. Oh. Okay. Eba na menhwe se ebitimi aba beduna me dey ma dey kakra. Very 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 important. Okay. Ode mama me yi na me nhwehwe your friends eh. Get it I don't know. Actually me hwe na my undinti asanumi. I'll come back to it. Let me have it. Measures, I don't know. But I am for him, Procum Gagra. About your Valentine, yeah, I beg. Monyanya Magidibia, Bibia. Now, why any gentle, so I tell you. His name is Kujentry, and he calls this one Rock Me Gently. Rock Me Gently. Nyeni gidi gidi. Boko.
She washed my body and I wash yours now. Come on, touch me, squeeze me. I'ma get in the mood. Thrill me, fill me. Ooh, it feels so good. Tease me, please me. Treat me good, love me smooth. Caress me. Let the feeling boil over. Rock me gentle. Rock me gentle. Rock me like a newborn child tonight. Yeah. I wanna give you a promise. Give a little time now. I've got to satisfy your wildest dream. Oh yeah. The way you're moving more makes me wanna give it to ya. You make me wanna scream. Oh, baby, come on. You move me, you groove me. It's like never before. The way you tease me and please me. I'm gonna ask blood for sure. Hug me, hold me. Don't ever set me free. Touch me, smooch me. Take me to where I wanna be. Rock me gentle. Yeah.
Kojo Kwanso.
Rock me gentle.
Oh, Kwanso munyumuimu. Boko. Anyway, 24 Kasani and Queen,
Well. Please, Alligator Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Alligator Sports. A papa. So listen to Alligator Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too. So
my name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Okay. Zizi, bro.
Other for me, this Sisi Chum. That they be irrigated sports. There's no day minty irrigated because minty manage na me stress.
Good. Now offer includes my
open program one dedication passport one the irrigated sports. Adom 106.3 FM. The first John.
Thank you. Kwame Akwaba. And put him to say. Ebe, ede gwa kwaba.
Yadro.
Somewhere.
Oh, nyamiadum.
Ede nyamiase pa. Bibia be fine. Say the da make. Oh, bibia be fine. Yetiasi nkwade.
If any BBF.
Yetiasi nkwade.
BBF
be fine. Switch kra. Bibia be fine. Yametiasi ho. Yametiasi. Bibia be fine. Onton ko na wada.
Is it motivation not those?
Yeah, be fine.
We are collections one as
I mean, Jumano so. Jumano so far, but a baby now.
That's what Madame for Green for is one in a way.
Madame for Ben, okay.
Cocu.
Why? Why is it on suspension? Said the way I almost started with the Twitter, and who's no. Said they can
started with the Twitter and I send it for the started with the Twitter.
There is, me said the way I NDC phone started with their comment on his post like ni tweets no. And now say on no can adwen.
Can adwen since when?
Since man ko yi.
I just a man ko answer man.
Since man ko yi there. O can adwen pa.
So we say time no they can adwen in there.
Na dey and yes say. Perfect time be anywhere as you do.
Enti aya NDC amanyoko say o ma suspend the kakra. You go school you ma suspension.
Not just say you no suspend the way you know. And na mind back with the ensu yi na ono so the one are calling into it be me. Kwabena Japan.
Aja bi no timbo ndi man ya me defa. Aja okonto kwa.
Aya party.
Oka kom na Japan.
General na
when you sell down for no oka kom na Japan na ya me de papa. Na ono hawai.
Mana.
Aja.
Is
that a bibia ni ore kasa bi wo.
What you know for?
Oh, you know what you say una wa ba mu ko kan de.
What you know?
Ani aduane shi wonu en kasa.
Kasa ni gana. Aba no pani ebu no.
Say I say yes jika crash onu tum.
Wo de ko fia fa ko sere mienu, e hye wonu ba ko hye left, ba ko hye right. Na try say we ka our father. E we say be ya.
When ya hwe Jesus our father.
Kwaku.
Yeah.
Ai wadam fia na no ya oba ai oto no de de ya. Na se me ka no nyum ba ko. Celestine don ko ka no nyum ba ko ma metie.
Agbebolo.
Ano ne small boy bi to ya no.
Gideon.
Anyum ne do. Itia na ai mani age fa. Kwaku u se na betra aka se mpanifo de enchiremu bi abase impo corona no wanya ho ato no especially yen emema etimi enya nsunsuanso e wo ko akuso
Me ka se eni yare no ehu
Kwaku ebe ka sa asem no esa nse na eye atworosem kakenti no nipa bebre e fa ne tra wedi obia
enye no kwe
o wan fa ne tra
obia an fa ne tra sa o
an fa ne tra
na man you otu we kro kan e say na e ha no pa
e wani mu he ya ye de ensa hase yi papa de ne se wura asia me se fidie no ase
de e pompe
e free sa wo ka za de no etimi kum we no this one who so sanitizer si ho so we say e we ya no de ba if you Kwanso ya no isu ama
o se ni ya
Ade we de
obia
se we be we ya de ne nka udi ka wu ye ma ni gina so kora ne amanfo be hwe fu a obo nse no wo be ma
say yo mai bi e ko ni krechi na no ade na na when say na we no ho ifu ibi ya jese wa fa no anka obia na
oye virgin
oye ya na jese odi ejemu na menim se as at the time na ojemu na say yin yes how say den o when ko yin na won ba be da na ade no abu 90 jese se di gina so no
na
Barry
ayi for no Mochima for the country.
Barry pa.
On catwo.
On da unu ending koma. Ni pa ndo na.
Yes I say yeah to say a bu 90 serious part say the just to say di.
Say konti okra na ho odin so be do afia. We will never won.
I can say if you don't win
I say Barry.
If you omom de phone no dey be so. One can 12 me the phone.
And I don't want the plaster to chire.
David as omo bu ni kom.
Ene obi dum bie epon.
Oba omo bu ni kom da bia. Obi so omom de phone no me catch.
Celeste don kona ni kunu ade ato social media say omo mienu nyina nya yade ni bi.
Celeste ni omo so mama ni hunu dog. Me na no ya na akrofo ko wi o.
Na akrofo wi o nya yare.
Na korozo be wi.
Omo mienu na nya koro ni bi. E na wan say ewie no.
Omo say corona chiwa.
Na ama recover.
We be say na likely say
obi oben wo no.
Ezu benya bi. Say nya de a mo betu mo we because we tu akoda na say. You grab at that time I wo no. And go say the city by that time I will be who so nya bi akoda.
Na wadi ka de ama oni panda da.
Na obi a mo ano mo da.
Ma wrong.
Enro na me de afutuo ma MPs ni ministers ni ade no escafo e wokro mu an say as much as omo bo mo ho ban no omo girlfriends nso no omo omani eni omachi ade che say bia wo girl sha shi bia omo de ni tu kwan weekend weekend nyina ba bi otekra anye but ho no ehia wo hia no pa no afre no wo bo ho ban ya kra etna V8 ni mo
o do so ade ha be mask na to
weekend no yi mask no fi na no perfect
Auntie, we no ultimi and wrong. Oh, brush a mask wrong. Because Kasa, I did Kasa, you cry, you know. Kasa, you cry to me, the partner.
Max, maybe a job. Okay, I'm going to kiss in one day.
Now, say, and your job, I'll be a kiss.
Oh, a gun and yes,
one kiss you present tough and tough dear.
And we are not in normal times, you know. Say, I best most suspenders are, you know.
Hey, and I swear, Chileno, and also what Debia,
yeah, there's a fun quenching. I can't
say. Kwakuso obi kro ya na ne konta ya ne anu ma de kro se obi di na no kana so achi na adwini ne ho so a otimi pra no ho
say na no me kan yi say
yakupon kasa
say woman yo hey onu die say hey say no say na ni na no ho so na ukoso hey say pe
ne nya bro kwa ne kwanchi woman ni mu du ye wa
Mami
zero
Mami akua me chawo me chakro
na ni nan ho so na hey
chama me akua kwa me mo obi adi chama me akua keke aje se ne kon na I fine no ho na
ne se enya ne kon ni na point bi wa na uye na ye pe no se do betimi abobi no
last asie ho no ankora wajmo mo ankora boni o
o da bi obi ho no mo a
da ya pe no ma chance o why lucky pa na baby a ni pani vie adu nya sanka sa ho no
atinka se mi enu moni adi o ana kwa se bo mi nkan wo e bo si mi enu
ye kwa de mo di una bo ni ni
akuma de no na pampam ti na ya no de ade akata so
akuma so feelings wana pampam ene ni kuru babre obeyi eduku we wie ni na okra unye be ma udina so a na wato bo ntimi so just omu enu nya bi no na recovery rate na me de no wo soro na se de yere de no na ye hwe omu wie na mo kokko test negative wie na fe de akase ni kwa kuba sorry uze be ma de anya hwe kra 435 what de
na secretary so the message about or see hey if you give Bills the option to choose blindness and impotency, trust me, he will choose blindness over impotence. I swear. Papa, would you agree to?
Oh, Papa, Bobra. Kwaku on the chance, Obama, the only say, when you the beer, I have 430 no crab, but I told the beer, about 3 days, plan 430 in Shiauda, 435 in Shiauda. That is a symbol for the chance. I feel a drew baby no now, I feel the Kwaku. Sorry, I had ding. Even though I call about Aquabam and said we are negative, no, not a more. And he, oh, that's a Aquanian so.
Auntie Necra and say, Untimi run here, no.
Oh, yes, and I with time, no. The process no cost on our doctors into Monroe. Now that a boost to or sexual incumbency. Oh, more friend of mammy. Mammy shall say, be our team fire back, Kubiana. Papa, I just also a year. Oh, number. I said, go down, go. Friend of mammy, yes, I'm a friend of my mom's one. Kwaku, I am a pet, and Nipano, I am one, Amadasi dear, to Jano. And make Nippon how serious the sickness is. The dream say, Corona too far from them. What I say, it's Ofie Kwanso, your may say the name is Sony say, what the Obama or Cosquash and the mass the day. My men also come market on one show. It's my minister to be called free Canadian market, and the Bashir by no fear number. It's Yana, Papa Smoking as a maximum will be beer and share. Now, and no pet and a bit me up boiling. That's a Yareno could you be more. That's a max listener. A bad dresser, Yari Abwani pay about what you're going before. Apart from saying until Uchinso and the Montpellier de Kayaka, and my yacht, the Biom Kitabaka Cassia, and Tadden and Papa will be beer or Pia. 7 days no Murphy, Sala Abraboni, I said, and man, a jabo. I'm back one friend 1 week. And they made it. I'm friend 1 week. So, no more cheese, our uncle Fabi. As I chin now, as I see a castle. Now, we obey ma, and you're sure crantia for the fact to say a bit me I can continue. No smacks, no cocoa baby, I ask and a babois. Yan Sakan and Swat, and anybody in common. Opening house of folk. Timo no, I am a say. A penny for as a team normal pay as a pay. I'm telling you today.
As a focus, I'm not kind.
Kwaku, so probably someone I can answer. Let cannot just say, I am calling and you do whatever.
They own says every per massam.
Or the own pay has a focus.
Nti masem na yo kan it is a masem na yo kan
or the house of folk who time the can asem kwaku manyana ntia say coach assistant coach Joseph Asaribediako well ayantia and nam from say we tintim nkrata akoma team ni say wontumi enye adwuma biom na papa yi no what that answer ye kokofa Costa public na ba na edine ba ye obi afo say adwuma be koso but antia me nya no say otintim akọ ye twen say house of folk company for officially eden nkrata ba betu bia say papa no ampani ampa what in nkrata ba say ontimi ni team no enye adwuma biom kwaku the way am handle house of folk no manage house of folk no ye mu bi yani enye ho kotoko wo yi se kotoko your management team a nim se wetima akata na nyembo obi adi ene obi role a all play currently uko house of folk who said hu bi asa ho
timu de I say anyhow
there be yes anyhow but you said ni a year to say a strong managerial force be a tight team nachi
nti obi aye de ope
oh men kaso obi aye de ope but
you say ne kra na person okay
there are people in this country that they are even ready to work for crowds of folks for free. They have so much intelligence. Now what team no do. And to say to go say one form team papa a more day akuku dam nim di fo wom on by management adwuma no. Say the other teams no e bia when yabre no eya no. And for ya sa e be boy coach no a team na kasa issue let bia but me say by the close of the day no ko si ochna de na no kware bia wo mu no na yaso ate.
Obani has to focus me. Eya na me ya.
Mane nya ya
say era no hwe se de natimi ACD ni geni akeka epeja shankrofo bi nsia ne ade wo se house folk team ne kosora e ma kotokoso ahokeka what you say
yeah
em yeso etutu ani ama yi because shankrofo be gi league ne pa de ani aduana na yi for dia e na yepe but say o be Japan sam kra so sade e asa na e ma league no munye de na asamo di tu dwa de matini ba bia metifri so mo boa me boa kwame
ana sa tse be bia na so be
na me kan coach na sem no yesi ayi ni simpapani ayi kwa so mfinya
ko ni
na frya my one say simpapani
yes ade we ho hwe nye yi na simpa kwala o ba bi simpa kwala bi o ba bi
almost simpapani
oh masajai fa sanitizer na ma simpa kwala bi ani ba bia
kono mo kaya so si nya
na mampohina go kura mo ko ntokwa
mampohina obi an ka se nya kan obi an kan
ye nka se mu nya
obi an ka se obi an ka mampohina bo
ase mu ya firi kono ka mi hu abomu no se me ni fie nyina
mampode se kura no
se me ko ko bra himfie ma ko ko bo
se o twede o be apoma mpesi ye bro de
kana ye kontoti home coming se na mpese nka
se mampode no se emienu se apart from mampohina bomu no mampobe so Mampon Benz. Oh, obi catch us say what you want to tenten say Mampon Benz what I say
ye nukumasi maize
o me maize say normal E class Benz no na ye twan fifi no mo sand ba kwa so na ama no 3 doors
ye twato no ne
na Mampon kon na one na ne fa
ahona na wine de ko
Mampon hosu
oh ne unko Mampon da
next to
unko Mampon da
oh smoking
so many things coming from Mampon sa na
Mamponye kroketwa na nim say ayi mukrom ko for do na o ma si free Mampon
nim say ayi na fi mo fijase
na so on ma honna asante Mampon honna
fijase na she Mampon
sa o ni ya no ni metima du hene kra wo
honom de kofa ayi kwaman kumawu no ne honna
kwanso mo kan peporo no obetresi ya na ye be ba we o ko pepo no mo so fa Mampon ho na Mampon ku na fa ko fa atwea na fa kumawu
na obefa kumawu no kwa na
yes
kwame hono kra de besi kumawu mu na totomu agogo ho na otimi sa fo akra de kopie ko
afram place ho
egosi ya from so no ni na
sasa de bi nimo ho
oh away
has coach asemia aka fa Mampon ku mu di habe obani anka coach die o touch line na bibi ni a oni o assistant coach na dwen ho obe changes kwa tactics ni ade what you say but say opani ebe changes ya o twa na ni say ya na sabanko e ho no ko team manager.
Yes.
Oh, maybe I information. It's coach, you know, and a deputy coach in it. There's an one so better Ambry. Not to travel and to know what's now. What I say?
I'm already there. Some. What do you? Some people want to travel.
That's how see, I'm to Triangle, and you are more tracky, and more than 2 years. And you open it as a passer, some now can I? David, I don't say, yet money, you were so some men going to be who get you for me to be the share, we know. David, opening and then I don't come and me who the commoners who.
They say simple penny, where they are, simple penny. Now say, Bakuya,
is there all your penny?
Where?
And I was who is simple.
Yeah, Bakuya no Chrome said that day, a you crack to grass at win your grass, boy, see the at the wrong. Won't sign me, and we say cry. And why said that train still has a mouth for a wrong story now. So, in your penny, idea, yeah. Say assistant coach to all. And now on also Emmanuel Korea to say Odum Diana. I say Manaya, you must hear Manina. Okay. What I say? I did have you, but me, you say a more administrative manager now is the honor so baby. But the thing is a galley, say Bibi. Say Yali is a galley. So it didn't be sanity. Okay. And then Atlas, I just say, so I say me out the 2 grand. Almost some meeting messages. I see Bruno in the Bayano. Is this a house of folk? Penny Concosan. So we'll do any. One day to go on. Back room staff from technical team now. We'll call Moko. We are Robert. We do a Pedro. And so Concosan Sada. Uncle Brody, we were custom draw, no friendly, but not to the two. That means that it's blue. Abroad, say, mine, say, Sana, way. So, say, we are not Okona 101. We are say, Darren, I'm for years. I said, opinion, yes, I'm over to say, Timide, and my catcher, oh, come on, I'm no bidding.
I'm over to once.
And you had you. One of you, I dare to say, sir, when you are not, when show two. I want to say, team in the year, you must be out.
So, opening, it is that, yes, I said, I don't know. And I confirm whom you know, crown, was it Enra Monday, right? Enra board, and any coach this year, or Stapa pitch. Support no telephone being this year, and yes. So, you will be a normal month to. Say, I dare and say, so be free baby ba. Now, a penny poor baby seen so no. Or any papa, no, I'm man to papa. Now, they can't pollute now. Yes. That's exactly what's going on right now. Now,
some perception of Benyano, and once I don't
but because of the young who no agreement, or a first man's performance in the dear Kokama. But let another video who we
I think for you almost sabotage and not become I want it. And go for me, I'm a troop of players as sabotage coach. You know what I say? And I make a
yes, coaching and Casasono or buy a winning bonus structure. I will honor simple in falling Sisano. What I say, Sisano was Sisano sono. There's a school behind. I'm an aqua table. Asa, a common yellow cream moon.
Mobile to come here.
Oh, nah, yes, I'm not okay. I mean, what you now, Babani is here 2 pills. What? You for the research, how you overcause why and
African.
Maybe so. Research you overcause why and the your head.
Yeah, enough of food. You've got some food for us.
Any house of folk in Ghana, so was until was 7. Now you say a cat. Hey, I'm an Asante.
I told my
back. I said, now no players video call status committee. I just said, oh, go go so can once. Here for clarity near the body. Minimum say players need be old man. Duly nibble to your mocha. Baby, so how more the end of the day. A bench entrance. Players and I don't buy you. Be a more than a car and yet no answer. Kade, o yaso tu yas na ne kana mo bra o.
Na bi enkade na enye. Wo kakura tutu.
Kwami tutu o tie. Kwami tutu tie oni obi aka.
Ne ka ba mi tutu ka no. Another customer enye MC sem bi mi. Omo me dey come from sem companifo adwuma kɔ fam. Ifi amusu ni die, ni yes come. O tutu ka no. Na kotokofo de mudi obi kama sana na etwe da arɛ. Ano na enye.
Nti unim ka konche kotoko.
Menim ka ko metutu ka.
Betina tesa wo de no. Wano na odi tuatua ka no ba sika no nko.
Wo do ano fa nipa ho. Untua ka no wo tutu ka.
Wano na odi tuatua.
Obi ode o ka no wayi nani sɛ ne wone wo ka. Ane de aya wo ta fro kura ka no ho asɛm. Omu de ho na wo.
Na fra me ka na first ka ne ma.
Do ka obehia no nje nose mask. Oh my area na china me na wu ama sika na shi.
Abeto bi ama.
We de zona o say kwame ene de enye kwame a say iPhone boom sisi ano whose phone is ringing. Pacho we de na the African de na na no.
What about person? Why you tise kuro yi? No na uti tise kuro yi. African me de obroni bi picture ma wa picture no. Fatu ma atie for hwe na ni mi pa. Kwaku obayi
wona nyanto basiasa. Minya another detail bi so.
Ask again now.
Oh yes. Se coach yi apani twa atwe ne ho no apart from say ye twa ne nkonkonifa twinika se etwa obi nkonkonifa wa de ho atiase.
Ye ntiase ye twa yase.
Oh. Kwaku. Nkonkoni ye ka se.
Me kura man ntiase o se
nkonkonifa.
Ah, na le.
Ti twi se wo ba mo.
Wo ti twi James what tell him?
Na sam kan tanka na kana.
No, he be the twi. Ya wa I for kro mo slange nko a o ka twi kwa na loko.
My tia.
Yes, ayi.
Obenya ka tetia o.
Forest ayi. Ayi. Obani. Akwati mi slay. Maya otia se ye kaye nkadin. Esi ko jom ko fa no. Nkra bra.
Na o ka koto kwasem se o.
Mami nwie mo de nansa. Ntimi nsam firi ho. Obani. There is baby a obedampo. Baby obedampo edin.
Ogoda to go.
Na o makoji hotel bi a one night ye 30 Ghana.
Ish.
Oh. Nkra hotel one night ye 30 Ghana de kwame. Don't so age dem o.
Why we receipt we 30 Ghana.
We want supporter back on the
brain. Pia ni this coach we the coach of this caliber.
Oh, yeah. Obani. Ekafem brother. Oya house ni. Meba. Ah, hotel bi higher 30 Ghana.
Oboni dia.
Obani ya market here we hey, baby police station.
Ah, police station be no heart ya.
Oh.
I na otia ayi for police ayi open inside we on this side
omachi we market here we I na cruise here
tesa na woka
why now open your tesa no fellow Ghanaians tesa no de
nima
tabi enye hayi na make you baby we nke ya na chi o market
open dey na okay
tesa no chi ya be boa
abe kudin oh
I market second day market oh udu baby I want to talk kasi pe now tisi ase ofa
I don't say na be do na jo so age dem
oh ba say ho so de ho de enye yi sa wo na de na mo de ho na mo de ko
enye ho no da ba wo bi say e fa na tete Ghana mche say ho kro bi ho
na me say omo hotel di ko na me aka fa be ochena me tumi ka akwa say
WhatsApp e ga fem brother the hotel di be ma
on kan tell na ka tell say here
o si saban ko e kura ko pie no so hotel no say eh ha na oda we de be se na mfa nko fie Obani. Enye mo me se kani ti grow free Japan ba hemfa no no da.
Say ko ka
me se kani ti free Japan ba.
So church mo kai.
On dey say no dey na kukum ni ya.
We se no da.
We se ko
free ana ayi ko woni e me ye den no so ope.
Ah kani ti hwe na wo no so ye ayi ka ho taekwondo ni ade mi. To ni aduane rough. Ko ni ka ke no pa mani ni.
Obani. Kotoko asema na make yi.
Ka ho asem.
Eka se tie nie na be dance ante so.
Eka.
Onim se strike fo ya ye no enje adwuma yi. Ye ya de hye if chips are. And a coffee deal nearby.
Oh, sir.
Oh, yes. Chips are now representative for Ghana.
Okay.
Now, the woman say, do you know more years? Say, I also know Beja was minimum. What I say? Catch up as a mini wage house in minimum. Indeed, send ye a basana. Abortion, I said, you to me in car.
Oh, when back up, when
Debbie, a honor only a crotrimia. Chese, yes. Now, yes, I know. You say, the chips can say, strike this, you know. Nabe and Pimmy and Sambi or what? I'll say, her not yet clear figure. This is a contract, not very dear. Then you quite before you change in a can.
Yeah.
Then you almost do my
son. I got to cause what gas to be supporters.
Mammy, Mammy, opening area is on a fena. And Abrofia, your more play can you come on my day, Basabaya.
What would you say? Area, I said, we'll come on to 42.
I'm watching task force.
Why should she area be just a cotton for Cadia?
That mathematics task force, I'm Modici, when you say,
I can't have a material.
Will be shaving iron.
Not interested in your task force. What you know, your task force?
Yeah, trauma, umbruna, to go for you, yen trauma, Monyeria, interior and Yama, it also should be a Ossecho. And I'm a serious team. About a serious branded team. About Messafra, about Messama. It is a say no. Now, your baby suggests you strike here. Omseba could be 120 Ghana. It is 120 Ghana, no, 4 times 3,000 American.
And the coca creators so what's happening?
And Percy,
DJ Boy,
back 120 Ghana.
120 times 300.
3,000, yes, 300.
360,000.
That's a 3.6 billion.
Aye.
When you see physical, you know, you toss, and as this is what also into the German supported.
I don't should be.
And Riena, Abbas was a year torna on Sunyabi.
I don't want to hear a ball.
Ain't I as a
year ball, Mr. Fessy, I'm Quarano, Omama, and Tadiana, the rubber farm. No, I didn't know, Jane, ball. Almost I believe that.
A Tadia ball.
Sherry Orchard, Robania Tadia,
yeah, and it's a
boy that you.
A penny for every share me at my awada, Bordon. Now my dream. Send your Jason, your Batonia Chichama, Jesus. I would do cream.
Ah, no, so that
and not Cotoconeti didn't call any from France.
And I never got to
and I can't engage you on the
3,000. A boy also said, I'm going to about
I'm going to end every day. Someone rest.
Oh, I just like I said, I saw to you, and I said, was anybody open one answer? I saw you when no said near best starting new season. What I say, just say, oh, that's all my other woman say. So no one is a very abrogate contract.
And I'm contract.
Yes, I'm not king.
Yeah. I don't know what Pasadian
gay, then I'll yarn.
And now, company,
or Timmy area more than I'll yarn.
Companies may play some of the league in the Cotoco for Bank.
I didn't hear.
Says Station deal with some parts a dear baby.
And
I tell you, good day.
Olympics running almost on the grad any 2 weeks.
And I just strike for some good job.
In Japan, they say, yes, it was about why up a year to be a man and a fast one.
Come on, funded you for Nkotiaka. I'm from Common Funded.
And Tarekesi, I'm willing to mean.
I offered you Colanquano. Maybe I'm quite 24 guess.
How much I saw her day?
Uncle, come on, way.
Let me not say, I can't only cacao so free.
And when you're probon.
I don't know. Yes, I know.
No, I know you. It will be on one and as if you do not was 18 years. Me are not going to orphanage.
A pampas in idea to come on. I know who did.
One side is on Pia on Coin, and can Pia on Coin. Only Babia, when you fear, when you mammy, now some co school are really my entire no accompany with me. Now, only you want to when you when you money. I said for now. Abiam Quay, a youth was a sister, empty for the Diana school up to SS level, only in Castle.
Is that
Anka? Because in Yanka, Panin Yanka will be.
A young cat is a cat. Okay.
Hello, Mamma. A Pania Yanka. Kwaku, so Ukwaku.
Me Kwaku.
I mean, yes, the radio so come for.
I said, what is me?
When they
tea pepper base among us and tea.
What the chips?
But I'm going to the chips. I don't know.
ugusu biza
na yesu na ye wi akokoti ba mi nyi
onye ne wajawe
mi nyi kra akokɔ no nye ne ba bi na de ma
me akokɔ no kra mi nkunu mpo na obiza me de me di ni sini ko
fa to Facebook mama wey
Facebook
bas me de we ya
o masa
wo de ne ma she mask yo
ameke mu obi fa to mama wan kwaku
fa to Facebook we bende
fa to Facebook mama kwaku price tag ebo eye akokoti ho awa brochire muku akokɔ a na mako mato akokoti no ato atwene ahe na bɔ ho afika ho ahe na bɔ in price tag na say $1.99 akokoti
no
akokoti entre na afọ
ya package uni Facebook obe hu ya package $1 also $1 he
99 cents. That's almost $2.
No? Almost $2. Yeah, packaging is our. And then we do rubber.
Baba Kwame, I never go on say Abuano Ubia when the baby open.
Yeah.
Me say, if it's even crab base name. So Taku Sisina, ne Tumponi Tias now, I have a memory. Last one, Nichopi. I want to baby of Buffalo, and no soon near the Opepa. Fish say, Nitino. Sanya na tiko say neba hona nam fwa hona ba ne bo side ni si
kompe na adwen ho
David e kama numpe na me homete but obi so hono a obawi ho nyina
one obi di tilapia na wo time on sa koniti side wa so do bedwa no cause no ne de ne sa area ho so atiase obi a obabi ope
adwen ye wi opani If I say I didn't know what part to be honor, I said an oh yes, a mano.
They have shown a bono.
Yes, a mano. Who so move from
yeah.
The same could be my new program if you
I drink a man. I ain't in one of power, I'm not a free in
Debbie.
Oh, I'm not a funny yen
and also Anna, a shishan a boss.
I be a bow, be money and him.
And your friend Yen, I
a first and I
laboratory number.
Oh, maybe my band, I mean,
because I'm not Dean or you be or Tonto.
I ain't no. If you don't know, dear, Ubu Pesa and Namman. When you make a one, no knows one, a boapa. I know you always service and you're the album. When you're the album, 8 times a tie to the show to do more. I would be phone in a one, no knows one, a boapa. Come on, you're cracking and I'm doing and then the man of
I want to run, yeah, runs, who don't such him see ya. Kwagu de beke
abo benso
abo nenso no da bi enye nyantwi ya
akoko so na nyantwi
so we ya odon sa hyem se ya betimi akura wa ma odi fufu ni nyina wi na da so hwe onsa
sa
oh yes
and na me ni abakota mo sa mo di fufu na mo ahwe isi da num
no
worry so the na sie wo se ya na no so 20 e se obenkum ye di fufu ni nya wo na mo se
fufu aseda
and so yeah,
you can akotonam no.
And was why you boko. But me dey say na me so na yedi e cha na me nyina bucha sitire so. Akono obi atu. To wa yake to na be two last. Kwakwa mo cha na mu yiso o mo ye koti no park nkase ni nyina gu one side. Me so na me two last. It means say ka wo say ka me scratch up ha na mama nya nwene mo fra bem. We ko la brem foto ka me obi aka me scratch up ha. But anam sam na ya basa ko la brem na kwaku. Ama waye puru asa no anura me ne rocky da wini
twa waye puru
ayo
ti se de ogina we ndi we puru ara
boy your sports yi amenyo
can biscuit one why
amenyo ne eyo brempon dubu ze u tra ha ka de o sei no mo
tia no mo tia
obrempon CP omo de me agent
adi ugina we puru anti omo so ye de no
okay anya me nya puru sana musi so dia
yeso ko Spain na akoko tinya ponchiti die
omo se ne boarding
yeso on fani agro
o Spain ma akoko tinya
yes Spanish for no
omo papa
omo specialty pa
o say buju say buju ya buju this car oh o shada ko dwomu a se mayanka fo ne yetre obeto bia ponchiti
ani tiri aponchiti
obagini tini nyina no nyanto was ya wrong pepper soup. I'm quite no man ere ma ho. Oh yes.
About it is there.
So easy we so no one e kwache me nti on there. Say
Ukraso Castle be sam me akoi still am in.
I say is your mobility on team say opon ya me can use baby.
They say enchiro go say ba mo aduane.
First so there e na nka ultimate try me kakra. They say there we ya.
Na otwi me me match on why say e be ye ya.
I suppose of a pump na or the annuation I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm on my way. That's when it was a too much you say over the name so long come
What wrong mafu. Happy birthday Nkoma Hana Mensa Preachers Church. Wefi ayo baba Mary Mensa of PURC and she wishing you long life. And I feel so Maxwell of Joy FM. I'm going to wish him well. Say, Yamin, come on now on the moon.
Kwaku, a car up a fee. Who said there be a bet borrow advert a commercial and we are not catch from
bet borrow.
Bet borrow. They should bet responsibly.
Yeah.
A brand here they want bet responsibly. And they say on it, farmer go for a year, Juma. And it'll be man also now no D pa. At the name of our ton or you must have been case. No, they could try bet
7,000.
I think Odia, no, a company dinner command and anchor the Akano. Or they trade a new spade day. When Liverpool for by 4 years, boys was a crown over, and your poor boy just a liberty. Liverpool didn't know when to me any bet no. They said they are born in a new hand to court in album. Oh, 7K or their coach.
W on scan out the other coach bet saying 7,000.
7,000 Ghana cedis. 7,000.
Oh, but how come people anyway?
What Ocha bet borrow came on sir. Next time you be try Ocha bet borrow. Kwaku ubet many Pentecost sorry say can be a wasas be na Pentecost for about no better manson.
Me no better manson say.
Say asasere what the ana be see Pentecost sorry that was.
Me am sorry for.
Aye.
Na me masase.
Aye.
Na so munim sase na me de omo metwe.
Aye we dey na omo na twia kire pa almost 11 years na ono ana sorry twe manson. Na we ni case no wasa akwa sorry dem was obey na ase
What a fantastic story.
What your case now almost 7 years and over.
And I we knew about the church.
Assassinate there. I know a church member. To a court of church of Sunday, you won't dedicate. I sorry.
Now open the Yamias
court case. I am also my cross.
Amen. Was it
was the baby Ben soon yet in a minute a three months one. Yamia to wait as I said, where German.
I didn't sorry see Prince as home.
Oh, now say a bit news more. I know, and I saw me no more chance. Sorry, I and I about who we need case.
What was sorry for I was also
she's one of them girls. So for that, I was seeing it as I want to. I'm about the my mom phone.
Aye, my mom. African. About the time for the picture already. Kwaku sister is not some simple. One no or the chance on any hook for share. Obey man and man eye contact. Why am we eye contact? We are good at eye contact. Why?
Only one is here.
On obey man obey man and man eye contact.
All foul be no.
Aye.
When they are having sex.
Say you never be brave. I'm going to have the number of years.
How do we need here? I don't know. You know, you any okay side.
Oh, go for me.
At time we are not doing.
We are not doing it. But it's just a new crew. Saturday now on your man. Or the
debut. Just a new crew.
I know.
I know. Person just a new crew. Debut. No eye contact.
I want me. Zebia. Who because you had that was the and our body said Debbie and would do a faster kind so or trying to be my oh no but this is too much. I wish I get anyone on the Facebook war.
Oh Debbie
or the but we use eye contact.
Oh now send the head out of the head
stage video contact in you.
Oh my say ah then maybe I should any crocron kakrampu
organism or crossing out to my contact.
The organism.
Organism,
Benny.
I was saying, I don't know
eyes.
memory near was
organism. Oh, they also never papa.
Let me read this story. Ababa Obia.
Open Yeneko, hey,
let me know.
I watch now.
Ansana me kono so for ebusa assembly as me musa ansana man ko.
So for Prophet
watch na majinya no. Hi. Problem go phone so yi. We are sure that we are Christopher.
All right, so your first that can say my Bethborough no ena ekro. It's as I had the odds no temu be not just a best odds and a wunya any officer just say juicy now what chance so bet me secure winnings before the final whistle what I say and now sign work cash out option so actually come on Bethborough Ghana up to 400 Ghana cedis in free bets enti amfa obi dwe train kotwa bet said the na kwa me can store in a family clinic there be our brother betimi anya up to 400 cedis free bet now ko ways as na kwa dey eti Bethborough dey emuye visit betborough.com.gh/promotions today for more amazing offers. Patro Bethborough no BETBORO betborough.com.gh. Metra tum na bibia be ko ye dia ma. Sports is our passion, betting is our sport. O hwe na why enso na why responsible patro undi 18 years untimi embet bi ehwo hye no no. In boost herbal mixture aka police ni na duro no. Eno na ye kan for de ama wo. Eduro betimi aboa wo na ohwa ye den. Immune system na ho de ma patimi abam we ye ntwen yare ansana ya nom o yare o nyare o utimi nom in boost herbal mixture and my immune system no we den it infection bia beba bia yare bia na wa kwahye e wa bra won ha ho kra se ukọ ayaresabia e ho ehyehyeye eno ti pebi achi akwan na ebebo yi amwetimi agina brane King's Walk Herbal, Echoes Pharmacy, Widama Pharmacy, Tribe of Judah Pharmacy, Afe, all Tinatet and dependable herbal shops across the country. Health Alert Shop, it was St. John's, and Afe, Little George Health Shop, and also Community 5, Tema. Yes, Afe 0243 115 948 and 0246 208 496. As they do, about tea for me, I would tell me now. Ayana atiafaso. Okay. Yeah. As they do on your farmer imbus Debbie. And one as I baby. Your farmer Royal Drinks. Papa. Yeah, no so no. And they Casapreco Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Omar Ron Diaba. You must sort to Royal Apple, Royal Cola, Royal Orange, and a feel Royal Cocktail. It will be answer Bekabiano, in more day. So feel the magic in your life and enjoy Royal Drinks in so many flavors. Royal Drinks, or see you go like them. Just 2 cities 50 pesos. Available shop beer. Patrol Pedro for 0262 351 251 and our 0272 133 373. Na ya Joso Kama. Nokia and a name so or the Android phones papa abedjaso. Now on second beyond some pa phone original banana. Nokia 1.3, Nokia 2.4, you're only 32 gig and a fee one of 64 gig and so Yaman more megapixels, sebe ultra pictures, new videos are beautiful quality ones and on sa ebeka. Our long lasting battery, as you already know. And is suited to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, any other apps and also perfectly well. Mansan count the phone shops how do you across the country. And they would do any more dock or traffic light. Who do also hear Georgia phones. Or they also hear Mrs. Obeng, correct woman. On one best sort out Kama on Sabe count there. Now also BBNia, hello. Now Akuye the amount. Nokia, it just keeps getting better. I feel Go TV, yes. A free Sabe Akopim, the 31st of March. your fantastic offer aye de ema wo wodim say dan den sika wo say no e wa bra ne boys ehia na mo sim konwa kakra after work ansa waduru fie no saa sika na wo spend no e betimi ama up to 720 hours of unending entertainment with your family for 1 month. Oh yes, intime nyeja ho kuma bi penda ho hia na abusuan so ati ani atimi age e wo fie ene mouth watering local dramas ene edwagu e wo rock gh African Magic na fi spicy hot telenovelas nso edwagu from Star Life na series ahodo nso ni nyina no edwagu ani na fi e ba no se sports channels papa bi de ekoso nyina obetimi ahuni na fi e ba no action ne ade nso a ene latest blockbuster movies ne ade nyina obehwe bi. And then the sweetest kiddies shows ahodo nyina so no edwagu for the little ones at home no so ani etimi age. So then I watching Mansan can Go TV Max. Not just a fantastic entertainment, just a very affordable, and now ebetimi aka. Mansan can Go TV Max for a discounted price of 60 Ghana cedis. Now what me I enjoyment lasting longer. Obetimi connect it via my Go TV app, pay by the agent, and now best send a SMS at their call 1731. You best sort you out. Go TV, love it. Yeah, don't want to say, Sadaroma, almost so you might intimidate Alligator Sports. Ebrel, Ofie Kwanso, so Adom 106.3 FM. Yes. Special greetings and come out Becky Bonnie. And to say, my dear sister, I do believe say BBA fine. Yeah, BBA because I fine. Nanaikuya, German, I'm in dreaming. Nanaikuya. Message now sending out of order. Okay, so happy birthday, Nkoma Ekuya Lillian, over here, United States of America. Enjoy your birthday from Gozo, reaching out to you. Nafi yimfi no so na yanko anyway evending. I'll say a happy birthday, do belated Nkoma ya Assam Awuku on the 8th of February and Udi or birthday. May the good Lord continue to bless you and grant you all your heart wishes from Iowa 05 Nelson and all your loved ones. Okay. And also now you trust go anymore. We so say happy birthday and come Wafa Ata, CEO of Yesuana Enterprise, dealers in building materials away awush into ofata of Yesuana Enterprise yamo awodapa nyame wonshaw na ontonkwanem onyo kese amen na fe yemfie no so na yenhwe di yin so we so say happy birthday going out to George Buso where Darkman Nashika Street. You are 62 years old today. Wishing you God's blessings, more wins, good health, and prosperity as you celebrate your birthday today. From Emmanuel K. Obeng of Achimota, and also a day, our day, a buyer. And no, you better trust na okay, all right. Na yeba yashediakanum. And also one wonderful man, fantastic man for that matter, the birthday, Mr. Albert Okine. Of a Gapua fast safety band pennyphone or Kangobi Tema Enubutu Mr. Okine. Happy birthday to you. If you are wife, Mrs. Mercy Okine, and in chain also always show happy birthday. Nyame unshaw na onto unkwa endem. Abuja yan twaso na yanko anim na ebrenche dani wasa.
Nokia smartphones are banana. Obia guso kawasem. Nokia new Android smartphones email more megapixels, more memory, and more quite more pictures. Ni videos pop baby. Phones here fast. So browsing, woko Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and I will streaming video. Umi aswa nedem. Nokia batteries here. We are singing a D1 dance you. What charge ya? A Giraso and say Giraso. Check when you budget new Nokia Android smartphones in Opa. And did you Nokia 3.4 with 64 64 gig memory. And our Nokia 2.4, you want 32 gig memory. And our 64 gig memory. Nokia 2.4 30 megapixel back camera. And 5 megapixel front camera. And 4,500 milliamp battery. 6.5-inch screen. And Android 10. What to be upgraded called Android 11. To Nokia phone ya. Or full show BI bell.
Charlie, with Betboro Ghana, everything not double O. Betboro Ghana is giving all our new customers we sign up 100% cashback in free bets up to 400 CDs. This means whether you spend 1 CD or 100 CDs in bets, we give you that same amount back to make more bets and increase your chances of winning big. So visit our website, betboro.com.gh. Sign up and enjoy this amazing offer today. Betboro Ghana, be a player, not a viewer. Please gamble responsibly for over 18s and above only.
Do you want that special rice? Special rice. Do you want that special rice? Food Lover special rice. If what you're looking for is quality, delicious rice to satisfy the family, Food Lover's rice can give you all you need. Food Lover's rice can give you all you need. Oh yeah, make all your dishes special.
Food Lover's rice is long grain, has the perfect perfume, and is great for jollof and all your favorite rice dishes. Food Lover's special fragrant rice, Sisemu Nafili. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Ewa, me pacho bra na me hwa de wo bagin.
Bra, adan, enan so biem.
Hey, time heba me hye ya me kan se yi ba kun, ani wayi me ensen.
Bra, sanya time heba me hya, esia gyemi ni me fiefo enya de abako ebeso yen.
We de udi se ofa ni nyina.
Time heba me hya, me kasa me di one dance ya heaven ena de me kwa akopie. Enti se malaria, we draw ne time heba mixture.
Enye enunku, de nanum ato a wontimi anidie no. Time heba mixture duro no ena ye ma wo. Oba a wafa afuro de o ma akwada nofo. Ene akwada woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi. Se o petam heba misha enuri dudu atu a. Fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House. Ana ba akoso wo atonsu Monaco Junction. Eno achi ura pharmacy chemical ene herbal shop bia ma. On sabeka tam heba misha aduro yi bi. Fre 0244 417669.
Kayo, set time no TIME. Time heba mixture. Afi malaria fever bia dani ziba ewo munu be tuako.
Hey! When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and you offense Wabeka.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and you're ready for Yadmusa Moya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia, Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the drawn one, the Imbusaba Mesa, Dodon dance yes, and Yarwa run Nipa and Yina Etimi Banaso. Ene nyaruwa kesian kaya wuti ni din ene ho ka na oyamwa siwu nyina no ebo ye ho ban afri ho enna wo mpa omo wa nyaruwa ne dada na omo nom doctor enuro no ennom imbusaba mesha no a emo mo ahoden pintin ya wo mo ntimpo se yare ese omo ho imbusaba mesha ewo kanshi ene o maimu babia ye to enuro atufo mfre 0246 208496 FDA ahihye se adwade nkratwe magia to mu say ye.
Hey, me network mafia me. I was me di mobile money. Tua me wo fa workers car. Charges kwa 380 cedis.
Wo send this kan kwa ho charges no. Wait there cement 10 bags so. Me ni atie. Se wo be move akọ Vodafone cash and ka wo be service ka bebre.
Vodafone cash. Asa me network ne die.
Tie. Wo send this ka wa sawo network no so no. Yetew. Wo send this ka free wo network no so akwa network foforo no. Eno so yetew. Na emum tie asem de pa. Wo send this ka wo Vodafone cash so a free. Wo send this ka free Vodafone cash. Akwa network bia so eno so ye free. Masa inti wa ka try me. Oda so ye dan wa sawo network no so. Move bra Vodafone cash se sie.
Hey, masa ye chip na to bola musisi a.
Ani o say dia. Wo send this ka wo Vodafone cash so akwa network bia so a ye free. Send this ka do bia emprendo do bia akwa network bia so free. Dial *110# se sie na send this ka.
The future is exciting. Ready?
Mentadia Michette Remini Papa, near Tinka Minya, and sign we a fenna hana so dear, a hear me pa, and to mammy fra, and on a midi to me, ain't in a magic be a seminar to precope. If we say a woman would ra, ya fra, Emma won near me nimpa, the sounds won't to my kama afibo, be a seminar, any kuntama, and that was wakomaso, Sankratway, FDR.
Ofie Kwanso, with me and Jeff Jackson on Adom 106.3 FM.
I love you, I quit, don't let me down. I did feel you know be like, oh, Bama, so inside the door. If you know they my body, my mind go they bust you. If you know
you don't go hurt, I refuse it. I never blow you no fuse. My chica bonita be you. I'm gonna take care of you. You don't go hurt, I refuse. I don't go blow you no fuse. My chica bonita be you.
Ofie Kwanso, with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
time to 44 after 5. So fruity. Say eno na ekro. More day ye. For cry pay town ye. Na difference is say we know a natural refreshing fruit drink full of goodness. A non-carbonated natural fruit drink. Not just a free from chemicals yeah, you know what I'm saying? So fruity. Your 3 flavors. Orango. Yeah, no, yeah, the orange. Yeah, kaya, yeah, the aron, come on. And your zingo. And a mixture of orange and ginger. And a fake cocktail. And they say, well, I need to say a mixture of fruits, pinani, a kaboom, the air. A coye dread. Yeah. There's no other soft drink as refreshing and nutritious as So Fruity. Open the door with their friend Cedric Odoy or 0548 453 002. So Fruity. Enjoy the goodness of a natural refreshing fruit drink. Moya. I don't if God bless me, why? Meanwhile, if see this one there, the one is away. If you the holla, if you the hustle, when men see you, oh Charlie go be, oh Charlie God day, Charlie, oh you go be, oh Charlie Namiti Asebe, you why? Hey, you man, so that Charlie, why? They envy you too. Why? So then Charlie they tell me say you go be, oh Charlie God day go be. Then it means say if you are come on. Oh God! Why that's the dream when anyone says. Charlie, I'm out for need football. Football fans pina na what town. What I say, but na no baby sano. Almost our other sports are. On when you be tennis near the be basketball there can come home. They said they Betway it's not dinos there be Betway mobile and I feel online sports betting say it me introduce you sports casino games bet games and then the company at the bar platform so say I'm for bet me bet on no more discount so now from football to roulette from esports to horse racing and the can you can bet on Betway. Now, you get paid instantly via mobile money or EFT to your bank. So go on, visit www.betway.com.gh to play today. Remember to bet responsibly, no under 18. Betway, for the love of the game. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Sister Sandy be a guy at Tennessee. Not Tennessee say yeah. Then for no say. It's full of time, baby. You know what I'm saying? You be good. No, who they are calling their Benina. It's full of time, baby. Sister Sandy be a guy.
Largely.
What do you need to say? Na say oh no. What you Bibia de yi ni ade ade.
Me ko twa metimi atokai. Na me fa trotri.
Aya men yes sir.
Because watch bonsa uni aba metimi de atokai.
Aya men yes sir. O be na me na mo a obi akotwa me nsa. Aden na wo yes sir.
Oni nso ko charge de yin. Wo ko twa moja ba ye ho ko twa age de yin. Na po we.
Yam ya do mo odo.
Se me ba no. Atade na hye no kwasi adam. Ho ko na chese na omo AD.
Oh.
Now I'm saying no meaning say Hanana, but me de maybe some
Sunday no.
Because Sunday them say Hanana yellow and
Sunday I'm Saturday.
Yellow and blue cat I say yellow blue.
Me de buy. Oh Hanana. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Girls they there omo can count the Bible. On can hear biemu. First chapter justice.
You know yamba. Je so no so say ai.
Aba. I'm doing a king. Now, I'm a brand, my brother, my cake, over one sanka. What said that Bodin said? Eugenia, he said it. Corona, but no hugging. Stand there, social distancing, please. Yes. Go back, man, I'm girl.
Wow.
Oh.
And talk about yes. Once a chroma 2 minutes via beef essene. 2 minutes via beef essene. Beef where there celebrities versus bloggers. Celebs be break shemwa. Bloggers they don't post negative stories about them. And could be changed so cultural say you post more positive ones now.
Yeah, most share na.
Na manfo who narrative no age.
Yeah.
Na asama could be check kan ya no nye humpu na mijina. Baby a mijina e ba jerry. Omo can say a negative story. No, first of all, say me to me to me negative story.
Debbie.
So I want negative. Now that the story. Ni aka ana sana moya mo. I say mama tried na kwa ye wan ye bibi a ye nka ma say but it's not so. Me tell me prefer a bit to say celebrity be Netflix film be story be say Jerry SB to na be host.
Yeah.
Me person story na ye. But unfortunately no. Me nye bi. Onko no bi na run ho. Onko no bi na ekoya ne to Turkey. Onko no bi na edeka o boutique. Wan hu.
Oh, kwere to we.
Ho na baba no koye. We de mama pasa asem so gi me ho no koye no. Enti ba Jerry, ye nya bi. It I believe we say as na celebs no be complaining nko mu change narrative ne ma yen a. Because obi timi shada de boa fa yokra kan sem bi obe trend keke.
Yeah.
No, obi timi ka say me ko attack Jerry because 3 to 6 the Ofie Kwanso ani eti obeso me so. Obi timi shada ye.
Yeah.
Obi to shada any obi planning se na be yo nim say fella de me manu ho ya mpe konko nim say sister ne ba beka. No ma shada ya na obi create me twa blogger ka say wan shada nya story bi ni endi na tem.
Na e den.
Uti kroma wan to da say celebrity bi ko obi di emu say shada di matem na men trendy. Wan say.
Debbie.
Oh, aba. Who produce entertainment wan say. Obi shada ko obi di emu say me va chu di matem na men trend kakra me trend e achi. Nanka nipa na shada the camera sin so wo Jerry me money din kwan wa trend.
Sa? Person trend.
Person trend yen ni na tem keke. Yen ni show ndi na tenam se jama wo yare. Enti airtime no ka me fan tonga ye soap wa hu. Me fan ni wa tem na trendy. Enti no omo ho. Enti ba Jerry ntina se say no ho. What ho na usa badam se me free baby. We person di watem. Onim say obi twa di ma squad se mebo me wa ha wo.
So mebo.
Ai but unfortunately na ni ma Aisha to madam for no. Girl squad no coach ai no. Minim girl no menini nua ne co school. Enti ode picture ja sister we mun tia ne kakra ma me. Na Aisha to friends Sunday she be apart you. Ana walk at me so make me ni omudi kokonte bi ni my inside or girls no. Because me ne sister go school to me shiana ni akodi benku. Wa coach squad thank you metia me. Just because we feel say your story na braje me bi say ya tia me we are what's next. What's next?
Yeah.
Enti no mo bi am attack blogger bi say na negative story ne don mu jaya ya se be den. Ye be jaya but say no say mu twa squad be die. The messem because you bomb me any guy or like.
Yeah, say wo.
Kati ya se abomi.
Oh, how?
What's it how ya se asam me ho. Hey. Okay, me was so. But me, I'm a far born in chop. Or your answer.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Or your bar actress. I could just squad. You met your sister Sandy. Or Pasakio. Or Pasakio. What it? Now, 2 minutes via beef essne. 2 minutes via beef essne. What to call me, Jenny Guru and Tokyo?
Yeah.
Latest edition creative flow.
One also the Wajim.
See, I remember once a T-flat, Tweety or Twitter. Sekama is a bitch. Na guru Al-Qaeda nyom ne Brian no na your no T-flow dia. And a guru via boy.
Oh, really?
A guru was a guru swear so ne form say on ten nyom ne da. But guru via stole about the man shine. But when baby back we could nyom ne timi all dia about crying hate.
Oh yeah.
And sa Al-Qaeda no bia me T-flat no bia nka meka ne ye but me T-free guru no me nye sure say T-flow fantene ne ka enche. My mesa Al-Qaeda. Boy, that break Al-Qaeda. Tokani mu ayeshe. You my request ama grew and kwame je ye ko. Watch am kwame nyem no.
Mama,
so requesting watch am kwame so the grew so history bi. And guru say aprana disrespect no. I know the industry wo me so sa na ma ne sumo but mama mo guru nka ye say okay so no so disrespect watch am kwame. Kwala ne nka mum but sa time no Guru and so disrespect or chame kwame ya sa time no chame will give him about 12 years na guru abemu fresh ono so emu senior man oh enti na ye monya mo ho say ya yes your hope news ye be ye na emom kwame nya abotre
na ye wa jefie mu
aye chesika
na ye chenu yenu na ye boga kwa ya na ya bemu Naya, Bambaya, we need a sponsor. I did Yansaya, Naya, Bambaya, we need a sponsor. I did
Yes. Maybe I go from me or my queen dear. Met one sem so. Industry near North.
Sure.
Yes, sir. And from Intihoda.
Yeah.
There was once upon a time Guru Maya back-to-back hits.
Yes.
What's it? Yes. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Kwame Swabem.
It kept coming. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Kwame Swabem equally good, very talented young guy.
Yeah.
But Ghana no, we were not brought up to disrespect our elders. Even if your elder is right, we say kwani too. It can't man with their non quentino. Kwame ankasa ne bra panyin huye. Enyo na be ye koje amoama wo boss. And Kwame me kan chame so be all links entertainment forever.
Yeah.
Kachamu perform saying. Kachamu management. Yes, skills see mama no.
You know.
Papa Bell.
Gem.
Joanna, what they saying?
Gem Media.
Gem Media. Yeah, who go idiot? Would you agree with you? One lens entertainment forever. What's the make? And in this whole koye kujam webiama boss. Nene, what's your nature now free why? Now I'm going your enemies be you're talented. If I see who's and candy group crab beats live. What your artist of the year? If I send who's a crime all through in your way. And now no me 20 most richest Obia Mekasa Kwame Eugene Kwan about once in Mekasai. I think it's about time Obiniana. Nebra pay look up to a Chame Kwame. Also Chame doesn't respond to controversies negative stories.
Yeah.
Onsia Kakra. Because 24 days. When say you have a long way to I'm a good or yaw. I can send me am say so to say Diabobisa. Yes, yes, you don't know where Jenny now on quiet. So I apply to everywhere. Your mammy or I apply to baby because her brave brow are burning his songs and wearing your word back compare free. Now, my name can't say we're good, so dear. Yeah, go.
Your first like a sema a Vodafone and the sepa madam and no boy my team a day fly bro. Now Vodafone say Vodafone cash they send this camo be Vodafone cash so say free and Joe charges bia sounds no you see Vodafone cash now they send this camo bia or any other network bia so no so equally free. You don't pay a dime. Yes. So why waste money on charges? Our bro use other networks. Our bro back now be using Vodafone cash. Now they send this car. Yeah, enjoy share. Just go on dial *110# to send cash for free. Ready? Sure. Hey, and this is a classic one. Anyway, Enkoma, my Izma, Loveless, Philip Osebonsu aka Obi of Asempa na enkoma Jakalono Enyum kroya so enkoma Mrs. Azu enkoma kekamfo nyina mufo wentwam nase o Happy birthday, Uncle Emma Kelvin Nana Yao Amuzu, aka